next part of it is you can just use ngStyle. So what is the use of ngStyle here? So in this, we have given style dot color is equal to maroon, style dot background color is equal to my style. So already my style is there. So we'll just go to this component class, my style. So here my style green is there. So now what I'll just do is I'll just make the changes to this particular one by giving. So I'll just take one more here. So public my st, I'll just give it as my st, and here I'll just give color colon is equal to red. Then what shall we do? We can just give background color, background color colon yellow, then font. Okay, font face I'll take font face colon font face is Arial. Okay, so now I have just given public my style. This is the one. So now in the HTML part of it, so here we have used style dot where is that style dot background color is equal to, we have just given, we are trying to invoke that particular one. So how do we invoke this particular style now? So you need to give the style, which is whatever it is, ng class. So now for a paragraph, I will just use ngStyle. So ngStyle is equal to my st. So here I'll just display here as I just give this. Okay, so now let us see. So walking tree main branch located at Hyderabad.